Okay guys, it's Sunday, May 1st. I'm back in here at that 1883 house. They took out all the flower shrubs and stuff, so I'm back in here to kind of get in there and work that. But and now I can do the backyard. But I was in the front here in the flower bed, about 4 inches deep. Got a 1243 signal. It's Peter's Weatherbird Shoes pendant. I don't know how old that is, but solid leather footwear. It's pretty cool. Alright, I'll keep working in here and see if I can find anything else. I'll let you know. Okay guys, I just found that shoe pendant thing there and moved over maybe 3 feet and got a 1612. Got a 1911 V-nickel. It wasn't maybe 2 inches deep, so about two and a half. It's not too bad a condition. Alright, I'll keep going these flower gardens and I'll let you know if I find anything else. Okay guys, next find here is a compact lid. Pretty cool. Still got the mirror in it. I'll keep going so I'll find anything else. Okay guys, here's a little wrap up of today's hunt, May 1st, 2016. Had a crazy work week, didn't get out to hunt much. And then it rained Saturday and I got a couple hours today. But a lady called me at the house, the 1883 house where I've been hunting off and on for a while, and said she kept the shrubs in the flower gardens, so I went in and did those. But there's some of the junk, just odds and ends stuff. This was in the flower bed. Not sure what that is. It's a lid to something. And I have found a lot of horse related items in there, and I think this may be a file. Not 100% sure, but I thought it was a knife first, but it's too thick. And then just a little bit of clad, and this was pretty cool. This was the signal, just a little brass ball, and in the hole with it was this glass piece. I thought that was pretty cool. She said she thought it may have been from one of the old chandeliers. It's pretty cool though. Then I found a compact lid. Pretty cool pattern on it. Still has the mirror. And found a little button. Not much on the finds, but figured I'd just throw this up tonight. But this was a pretty cool find. This turns out to be a Peter's Weatherbird Shoes watch fob. It's missing the little piece on the top. They started in 1907, but I'm not sure how old this is, but it was for kids' shoes. I thought that was a pretty neat find. And then as far as any old coins, all I found was a 1911 V-nickel. It's not too bad. But that was all I found today, and I only had a couple hours to hunt and it started raining again, so maybe next week we'll get a better hunt going. So till then, thanks for watching, good luck and happy hunting.